Hi, boys and girls. Today, for social studies, we will be reading a book called Lily Learns About Wants and Needs. And so today we are going to review about the difference between wants and needs. So let's get started. Chapter 1, Want or Need? Hey, Dad, you want me to watch TV and play outside more? So I really need this new bike, I said. You might want a new bike, Lily, Dad said, but that's not the same as needing one. A need is something we have to have. Dad thought a moment. We all need to exercise, but you can ride your old bike or do other active things. So I can buy a skateboard or roller skates, I asked. Dad smiled. Good try. But today, let's only spend money on things we need. Chapter 2, Buying Only What We Need. I need a new coat, I said. My old one is too small. I like that one. Rainy season is coming soon, Dad said. Let's check it out. Dad looked at the coat and the price tag. This won't keep you very dry, and it costs too much. We'll keep looking. I found another raincoat on sale. Dad let me buy that one. Time for your visit to the dentist, said Dad. We're only spending money on things we need, I said, so we don't have to go. My teeth have already fallen out. Dad laughed. Sorry, Lily, you need to see the dentist anyway. I was good at the dentist, I said. Can we go bowling or play mini golf? Dad shook his head. We have to pay for those, but the park is free. I swung high on the swings. Then I saw the ice cream truck. Dad, I'm hungry. I really need some ice cream, Dad said. Special treats are okay sometimes, but a treat is a want, not a need. Let's find a healthy snack at the grocery store on our way home. Chapter 3, Everyone Has to Make Choices. At the store, Dad took out a shopping list. Deciding about wants and needs isn't just for kids, a whole family has to do it. Want to help? I looked at the list. Mom always says I need to drink my milk and eat my veggies. So I guess we have to get them. And we need toilet paper. I took another look. Dad, you wrote root beer in big red letters. Does that mean we need it? Dad looked sad. I love root beer, he said, but it's a want, not a need. We'll skip it today. Mom works at the hospital. We stopped to pick her up. What are the things that people in the hospital need? Dad asked me. Help from doctors, I said, and medicine. Dad said, right. Think hard, Dad said. What does the hospital have that people don't really need but might want? I couldn't come up with anything. I know, said Mom. The rooms all have TVs. People like to watch them, but people don't need TV to get better. TV makes me feel better, I said, but Dad wants me to ride my old bike instead. Chapter 4, When Wants Are Okay. Dad had an idea as we drove home. Sometimes after people buy all they need, they have money left over. Then they can buy something they want. How about tomorrow we ride our bikes back to the park? We'll buy ice cream. Good idea, I said. Because I know you think ice cream is a want, but my stomach sure thinks it's a need. The end. All right, first graders, now you're going to complete a Google Slides and you're going to circle if the item is a need or a want. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.